This how-to video is going to show you how to make catalog line management changes. In this scenario that I've set up, I've got a couple problems. First of all, in this NGK line, I have the part numbers displaying by the part number. I do have the stock numbers showing as well. That's what my inventory is under. But I don't need the part number actually displaying here and cluttering up the display. So an option that I can do here is right click, disable as primary line, and answer yes. And then once I refresh the lookup, that line will be gone. My second issue is that this Autolight line is displaying. However, my inventory is under line code AUP rather than the Positrak catalog code, which is AUT. So I can make an adjustment here by closing this, pressing F4 on the keyboard to bring up the catalog line management. And I'll scroll down to AUT, double click, and I'll enter in my line code, which is AUP, save changes, close out of that screen, and go back to the catalog. And again, I will refresh the display. And now my Autolight inventory is showing up. And then one other thing, if you, conversely, if you have a line that is not displaying that should be displaying, you can click on all lines and you can turn on a line by right clicking and choosing enable as primary line. Now if I refresh that display, I will also see the Bosch number in addition to the Autolight and NGK.